The civil authorities have issued a child abduction emergency for Imperial CA, Inyo CA, Kurt CA, Los Angeles CA, Orange CA, Riverside CA, San Bernardino CA, San Diego CA, and Ventura CA beginning at 9:32 p.m. Saturday, October 27th and ending at 9:32 p.m. Sunday, October 28th. An Amber Alert is being issued by the California Highway Patrol on behalf of the Upland Police Department and is, in effect, for the following counties: Kern, Inyo, San Bernardino, Los Angeles, Ventura, Orange, Riverside, San Diego, and Imperial. On October 27, 2018, at 0545 a.m., Xavier Alexander was abducted from Upland, California. Xavier Alexander is a 130 pounds branded Alec white male, standing 5 feet 10 inches tall, weighing 240 pounds with brown hair and blue eyes. The suspect should be considered armed and dangerous. The suspect was last seen driving a 2017 red Jeep Renegade with California license plate number 8DQB883. If seen, call 911.
Walkie-talkie. Wow, it is hard to hear. Is there a score to see or system?